In the garden of kindness we sow, with hearts open wide love will grow. Sweet tea daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi friends, I hope you're doing well today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Nichole. Today's video is one in a series I'm doing where I unbox a popular children's character. Today I'm unboxing a Gabby's Dollhouse box for a girl who's 2 to 4. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so when she opens her box, this is what she'll see, and I'll go ahead and take out the papers so that you can see the lid design. So here is her lid design. It says Jesus loves you, and it features Gabby and all of her friends. If you would like to use this lid design for your own shoebox, you can click the link in the description box that says lid design. I have other lid designs available on sweetteadaily.com if you're interested. Okay, on the very top, she has this very cute fairy kitty. And she's got some wings that sparkle. Isn't she cute? I found this fairy kitty for $5.99 at Marshall's. On Amazon, it's selling for $14.88, and Walmart, it's selling for $14.83. I've been waiting quite a long time to put this box together simply because I was trying to find the best deals possible. Okay, next, I want to show you this Gabby doll. I've put her in an organza bag to protect her hair and to keep some of her accessories together. I'm going to go ahead and open it so that you can see Gabby. Okay, so here is Gabby. Isn't she adorable? She has a cute little outfit on with little kitty cats on it. And her hat comes off. It has a little kitty cat there and little kitty cat ears. She's really sweet. I got her for $4.61 off of Amazon. The original price was $14.99. Okay, next, I have a t-shirt that says, "Hey Gabby." I bought this from Kohl's. It was on clearance for $3.49. The regular price was $9.99. Here is her pencil pack, some pencils, a ruler, a sharpener, 2 dry erase markers, and a turtle eraser. This is her pencil pouch, and inside of her pencil pouch, we have some stickers, some Gabby stickers, some crayons, a stencil, and some Gabby crayons. This came in a fun pack, so I just thought I'd include these extra crayons. Can never have too many crayons. Next, I have this ball for her. I have a water bottle, and it's filled with all kinds of things. A velvet scrunchie. See if I can get all these items out. I have a pair of socks that have rainbows and Care Bears on them. A spoon. A washcloth. If I can get everything out. A pair of underwear. And another velvet scrunchie. I have a compact mirror for her. And a toothbrush. Next, I have this pair of shoes for her, and I will take out the other items. So here are her shoes. I bought them for $3.84. The original price was $12.98, and I bought them from Walmart. I have a glue stick for her, along with some instructions on how to use a glue stick. I found these 2 little squirters at Dollar Tree. I thought they would be fun to include. Next, I have this little set. It is Gabby, and I think the little horse's name is Kiko. And I got this for $5. It was originally $10.49 on Amazon. Now it's on sale for $6. Next, I have a pair of scissors for her. A little coloring book I got from Oriental Trading. Next, I have His Name is Jesus book, or if you've seen my videos before, you've probably seen this book. I include picture books because children really enjoy looking at the pictures, even if they can't read the words. Next is this really cute little fairy kitty punch-out doll where you can stand her up. And then on the other side, she has one of those velvet coloring pages. I also have a bag for her so she can take her items home in this bag if she can't fit them all back in the box. Next, we have our card and letter for her. I have a notebook for her. This does have quite a few pages in it, although it's much smaller than what I would normally send. This box was very full. Next, I'm including this number and handwriting practice that you can get on my website, sweetteadaily.com. I have this little fairy kitty coloring book. And this Gabby's Dollhouse Jumbo coloring and activity book as well. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles to